You guys, I am almost 50 and I can't even. But I've been doing everything in my power to try to stay looking young. And believe me, it takes a lot of work. Hell, even getting out of bed is a lot of work. And some of you guys asked me about this product called NuFace. It is really expensive, but in the name of science, I decided to go out and buy me a NuFace Petite facial kit just so that I can experiment on it and share the results with you. This is the NuFace Petite facial kit, and I chose this kit because it contains 2 devices. It's going to be my very first time using the product, so we can follow along together. And here's a little something, I don't know what it is. Oh, okay. Here is a guide for the NuFace Mini. Here's a guide for the line smoothing device. Books, so many books! And even with my glasses, the font is so small. I don't know what I'm gonna do. You know, you'd think they make this for women who are fighting the signs of aging. Wouldn't they be a little bit kinder to those of us who can't freaking see? Fortunately, they also included this little quick start guide, which is a little bit easier to read. They call this the Mini, and it has 2 like metal balls on the end. And this device is supposed to help lift and contour your face and your neck. You're supposed to get instant results and results over time. Next, we have this little mini device. They call this the Fix. And it's smaller with 2 little tiny balls on the end. This is supposed to help smooth around your eyes and lips. And also it says the results are supposed to be instant. And then we also have a gel primer hydrating leave-on formula. This is supposed to be used with the NuFace microcurrent devices to improve skin conductivity. And then they also added a little bottle of NuFace Fix line smoothing serum. And then we also have a charging cable with a wall plug, and this one goes with this device, as well as a little USB outlet that goes with the mini device. Now it says you're supposed to charge your NuFace microcurrent device for 12 hours before your first treatment. 12 hours? That means I can't even use this until like tomorrow. So my NuFace devices have charged overnight. So the first thing we're going to try is the NuFace Mini, and it comes with this gel primer. So let's put on our primer. It's thick and it's clear and it's kind of like jelly. It says that you want to leave it wet on your skin. Now I have jelly all over my hands. Probably should have brought in a towel. Okay, now we're going to turn the device on. It has 3 different intensity modes. This is the first intensity. Then we have medium. And then we have max. I'm going to try it on max because, well, oops. Because we want to see if it works. First, we're going to start with the neck. Never do the center of your neck, but start below. You're going to pull it back until you hear a beep. Ooh. Oh, I can feel little shocks from there. Okay, I think I'm going to turn it down the medium intensity until I get used to this thing. And I'm really trying to pull it so that it kind of sculpts under my jawline. Ooh, I feel that. Ouchie! I feel it like pulsating little shocks on my skin right now. And it's kind of freaking me out a little bit, not gonna lie. All right, now let's move on to the cheeks. So I'm gonna apply a little bit more gel. Here we go. Now we're gonna start along the jowl and pull it up to your hairline until it beeps. Now we're gonna move up a little bit to the nasolabial folds. And even higher along the nasolabial folds. I'm kind of going around my eye socket. All right, next I'm gonna move up to my forehead. I did notice the gel kind of makes it hurt a little bit less. When the gel is dry, you can kind of feel those electro currents. We're gonna start at the front. Oh, I felt that. Oh, it's shocking my hairline. Once you've used the device for 5 minutes, it will automatically shut off. Or you can shut it off manually if you want. Once you've finished using the mini device, just rub any remaining gel into your face. And now let's take a look at the before and afters of only using the mini device. Now we're going to try the NuFace Fix, and I'm actually really excited about this one because it says that it will eliminate wrinkles instantly after one use. So we're going to put this to the test right now. The first area I'm going to work on are my crow's feet. For the NuFace Fix one, they give you this little bottle of serum right here. Has a little like applicator tip. I'm going to apply it directly to the area. Oh, it came out really fast, and it's also clear and it's kind of silky, and I'm just going to apply it to my entire eye area where I'm going to do this treatment. All right, now I'm going to turn the device on, and you can see the little lights flashing and this thing is vibrating. All you're going to do is just go ahead and feather it on your problem areas, and you do this for 3 minutes. You can do it horizontally, you can do it vertically, you can do circular motions, however you are comfortable. After your 3 minutes is up, the device is automatically going to stop. The microcurrents on this definitely are not as strong to me as the other device. Unfortunately, the serum is drying pretty quickly as I'm doing this, so it doesn't glide as smoothly once the serum is dry. Ooh, all right, it stopped. So now this, ooh, I think it looks a little bit better, you guys. This side gets a lot more sun, and for some reason my skin is a lot droopier and my crow's feet are a lot more defined on this side. See that? Oh, I hate that. Drop of serum. I'm just kind of holding it up because my skin is so droopy. I don't know, what do you guys think? I kind of feel like it did make a little bit of a difference. I feel like my skin looks a little bit plumper. Now for the grand finale, they said that you can use this little fix device to give you plumper lips instantly. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply the serum directly on my lips this time. Kind of goes on like chapstick. Try not to eat it, okay? What you're gonna wanna do is flick. Flick up and flick down. This is wild. I definitely see a difference. And I also feel like, holy cow, like the demarcation line where my lips meet my skin is like blurry. Let's look at the side-by-side photos. I mean, I'm not imagining things, right? So that's it for my very first time using this product. Some of the lines look a little bit lighter and my skin looks plumper. My lips look plumper. The nice thing is the NuFace Fix is supposed to last for 40 treatments on a single charge. It does let you know when you need to charge the battery. So at least it's super convenient, so you can just take it anywhere you want and do it while you're watching TV. I'm gonna use the devices regularly for the next couple months, and then I will come back and film a follow-up review. If you're interested in trying out this NuFace kit, I will put a link in the description below. What do you think? Do you notice a difference? Leave me a comment and let me know. And as always, thank you so much for watching.